Hello and welcome back to Rosie's Reviews. I am excited to have you guys here. Welcome back. All right, so today I'll be showing you different stepped stools that I got for my mom. We are going to be visiting California in a few, and what happened is I ordered her some step stools because she's not able to reach the bed. So the bed where we're staying at is my brother's house, and his bed is pretty high. So it's hard for my mom to get on and off from the bed. So I am getting her some of the step stools just so she can try them out and see what she prefers. I bought a total of 4 different ones. Some of them were kind of hard to put together that I decided to not even go for it. So you'll see in a minute which one I'm talking about. I like this one because it was wide and it had like 4 little legs and it was firm. It was firm for her. So I'm going to go ahead and have you try it out, or see my mom try it out, so you can see in case you're thinking of getting something for an elderly mom or grandma or grandpa, and you're thinking of getting them something that they're able to put their both feet, and it's sturdy and it's just great. So that one, I'm kind of just unboxing the item. So this is the one that I'm telling you about that's kind of difficult. I wanted to do it. It just did not work out. So I'll be kind of showing you how I unwrap it, but I don't really put it together. So if you're wanting me to put it together, unfortunately I did not, but I will leave the links down below so you can see different reviews if you go to Amazon of these items in case you're interested in purchasing them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Rosie's Reviews, and also follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Official. I love reading my comments. I love any messages that you send. If you don't want to leave me a comment, that's all right. I have my email here attached, so if there's anything you want me to review, anything you want me to go over, please let me know in the comments. So this is another one that I unwrapped. I thought this one was really cool. I'm like, this one's kind of cool. So you'll see in a minute which one is easy for her and which ones are hard. I like this one because it's a step tool that you're able to kind of hide and put away, and it's easy to carry. Before we go any further, I just wanted to let you know my mom had a stroke on the right side, is very weak, and her left side is starting to get weak as she ages. So it's hard for her to get up and go and hop into the bed. So the first one, that foldable one, she did not even try it. She felt like she was going to fall down. It was a little bit too high. This one she did like, that it was firm, but keep in mind it is a carpet underneath, and where we're going is not a carpet, it's wood floors. All right, so this is the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will make sure to leave the links to all 4 products in case you're interested in getting them. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit the bell and it'll be notified immediately after I post a video. All right, guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.